In this video, I'll explain you how to track expiry dates. To have the tracking functionality done, you will need to enable the settings, batch tracking from administration, purchasing and warehouse settings. Enable the option. Please note, once you enable this feature and use the batches in any document, you cannot disable this option. If you want to maintain the inventory by batches, you will need to enable the option Use batches in the accounting parameters tab from the item master data. Let me show you an example of an item. Go to Items Master Data, open an item, go to Accounting Parameters tab. You'll find the option Use Batches over here. Enable the option to use batches in the document. Having this feature helps you to use batches only for particular items, not for the whole items in the list. Once done, a column of batch will appear with the inventory line in all the documents where the inventory operation is included, like the invoice received, invoices, and many more. You can find the list of batches of this item by clicking the batch hyperlink, which you will find in the toolbar just below the item name. To create a new batch, click on Create option. A dialog box will appear here. Enter the description. That is, if you have a lot number instead of date, you may add the lot description here, like this. Add a batch owner. That's the company from whom you will be purchasing this batch. Add an expiry date of this item. Once these details are filled, click on Save and Close. Your batch is created successfully. Click on the option Show Only Available Balances to have the list of the batches which are available and which can be sold. As you can see, we have created this batch just now. Therefore, no invoice received document was posted or no invoice of this item has been posted, which is why the batch disappears from the list. Let me show you some documents where batches have been added. Let's go to an example of sales, invoices, open any existing invoice, go to Inventory and Services tab. You may see lemon juice has batch, whereas paper rolls have no batches. If I try to add an item without batches, it will show not applicable under the batch list. Only once when you enable the feature Use Batches in the item master data, the field will be kept empty and you may enter the details from Show All or Create One. Similarly, it appears in the same way in other documents, wherever the inventory operation is available. Let me show you an example of a report where batches can help you in analysis as well as make a decision which batch to be used in the next sales. Go to Purchasing module, open Balance of Inventory report. You will find the list of items over here with its batch expiry date and the quantity available per batch. You can use the filter option batch to get details about particular batch available. Like this, you will find only those items which has batches. Thank you for watching the video.